Tired of your primary drive being choked with games and software? Let's dive into how to move your software and games to a new drive, freeing up space and boosting performance. First, you'll need another hard drive installed in your system, or an external one connected. Make sure it's properly recognized by your computer. Next, open Settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Then, click on Apps. Locate the installed app or game you wish to move by scrolling the list or searching for it. After you've chosen the app or game, click on it to bring up its options. You'll see a Move button. If the software supports relocation, click that. A new window appears, presenting the available hard drives. Select the target drive where you want to place the software, such as your D drive, and click Move. The transfer will begin, and the progress will be shown. This can take a while, depending on the size of the software. Be patient. Once it's done, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect properly. You can also change the default location for future installations. Go back into Settings, click on Storage, then select Change where new content is saved. Select the new hard drive for new apps will save to. Finally, for games, if the method above doesn't work or for games installed on other platforms like Steam or Epic, navigate to the game's installation directory, cut and paste the game folders into your destination drive. In your game platform settings, specify the new location. This method is a bit more manual, but effective. That's it. Enjoy a cleaner, faster system, and more room for your games, all while optimizing your storage and your gaming. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips.